Well, hello team. It's great to be back. I'm curious if anybody can tell, we are at a different location today. Get to do my first on-road video tour. Today, I'm at our sister location. If you know where that's at, let's see it in the comments. This park is another Typhoon, Texas as well. This is a raft slide. And this slide right here, this is what we call a Colorado drop. Whitewater West does these slides a lot. Really good ride. That drop right there is amazing, by the way. And it goes into this catch pool here. Just like mine. They're a little dirty right now, but they're about to be washed up, cleaned out, and ready to go. That's a fully enclosed raft right there. And then that blue one's an open raft. And over here is their drop slides. These are two original aqua drops by Whitewater. I believe these are Gen 3, however, coming from Whitewater. Mine are Gen 3 as well. The drop systems are. You can see they're pretty simple. We will go through these on my slides back at the home park. You can see how long this run out is. These are some, these are speed slides, so you're gonna be going pretty far. What's cool about these is they run and operate the exact same way as mine do at home, so it's pretty cool to come and check them out and see them. All right, we're gonna go to another part of the park. All right, now we're at their body slides. These body slides are pretty cool. They're a little different than the ones we have. They actually go to a higher level. The ones we have at the home park only go about to the third level, so about to right here roughly. These actually go higher, so the ride is a lot longer. And this drop right here on this light blue is a pretty good drop. Good little ride. That blue, man, I don't know about you guys, but that would actually make me kind of sick. It does a lot of spins. Oof, I don't know. And here's the catch pool for it. They're gonna drain it today. It's got to be pressure washed. All right, let's go check out the wave pool. All right, now we're here at the wave pool. See these pillars right here? All right, cool thing about these pillars is on the top have a sprayer. So anybody that's sitting on the edge is actually going to get sprayed with water. Nice and chill for the day. You can see it says 3 foot 6 inches right there, but that of course is when the water is steady. One thing I do like about this park is they have the railing that goes all the way around. And the reason they have that is because right here, right off, is they have cabanas right off the wave pool. I really like this. Unfortunately, at my park, unfortunately, we don't have the real estate for that. But you can see 5'8". Our wave pool is a little wider. They actually have a little bit more surface area on the floor here, but we're a little wider. That's why we got 8 chambers. You can see there's only 6 chambers. However, it operates on the same concept as the one in at my location. I had a question about the e-stops. So you can see here's an e-stop here, and there's an e-stop on the other side of the pool. So what these are for is these stop the waves. So if we have a guest that's having trouble in the wave pool, we'll hit this e-stop. We don't want the lifeguard to have to fight the waves as well, so we just we have them stop the waves. So that's what that's for. I'm lucky we ended up putting ours on the lifeguard stands, so when we get back into my site, I'll show them to you. All right, let's go check out the pump. All right, team, here we are. We have a Neptune Benson here. This is the same size as the one I have, the middle size, if you will. Now I want to show you something just for reference. Okay, all of this right here that I have, all the space. I'll turn around here. All of this right here, before that filter was there, all of this was filters. From here all the way back was filters. Why? Because that filter is amazing. It does what all the big horizontal filters can do in that little package like that. It's pretty awesome. So you can see how much we saved here. Now, unfortunately, this was already here. So we really didn't save. We got the real estate back. We could do things with it, but what could we really do with it at this point? Hopefully we'll be able to add to the attractions here, and we can have, now we have pump space, and we can dig all this out if we need to, add some more pumps, motors, etc., to go that way into the property that we have. Hey team, all right, check it out. We are now in their wave chamber. Again, these guys are set up like mini torture chambers. However, this one's set up just like mine is in the sense of what it does. Blower here pushes water or air into that, and it moves that, right? So that piston moves up and down, and it moves that valve. Essentially the same thing we have back at my site, just a little bit smaller. And these blowers are kind of interesting. They're in way better shape than mine. These are actually made out of fiberglass too. It's pretty cool. It's fiberglass. It's almost like slide. It's pretty cool. There's the air compressor for it. And then that one air compressor over there is for the filtration, if I'm not mistaken. And that is an attraction pump. Locked out right now, of course, but yeah, that's an attraction pump. I've always liked the river here at this site because we have this great deck that's right next to it. Pretty cool. And of course, it's right next to this attraction. Kind of like it is at the home site. But you got all this shade, you're right next to the river. It's really cool to me. Very cool. I always like the way this is set up. Now we're here at the mat racer. This mat racer is just a little different from ours. This one's straight. However, it's pretty fast. I love this one. This is a great little slide. Great slide. Easy start tub up there. And nice drop right here. Drop's amazing. So really fun slide. Super simple, but hey, it's awesome. Here's a good overview of the rest of the park. You can see they have zipline towers as well. There's one right there, and then they got one over there. And if you look right here, you'll see a feature that's probably familiar if you watch my channel. Well guys, it's been quite a while since I've been on the channel. We've been quite busy at my site. We did have a few more breaks that we've had to be repaired. And of course, we're preparing to fill pools, so we've had to do a lot of work. I am hoping to get a little bit more video time and of course get you guys some more content. So stick around, hope you do. Please share, subscribe, like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks team, bye.